Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2025 Isuzu D-Max, stock number 6929. This ran from the 7th 2021 to the current shape. There's an RWD 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the RWD 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,